Here we have a Range Rover Velar in Lantau Bronze. You have black roof rails, 20-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, privacy glass, a powered tailgate and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have aerodynamic tread plates and a full ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. And you also have an off-road option. Sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. Cruise control and a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 14 miles. You also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.